What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another Madam Glam Advent Calendar limited edition unboxing. You guys already know the drill, and finally we get to unbox day number 6. And so sorry, day number 5 is a little delayed. Well, I'm posting it right before I upload this one today, but yeah, I thought I had published it or set it to publish, but unfortunately it appears not. So I have it, and it's gonna go up right before this one. So yeah, welcome December 6th. Let's see what you're giving. Which one? Let's see, we'll open it from this side. Alrighty, now I think it's definitely a brush of some sort. Let's see. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's see what brush it is. It's an application brush. What? Let me see. Oh my. Wow, so cute. Yes, honey. Oh my gosh, oh yes, this is perfect. You guys, I'm so geeked. You guys, I told you, Madam Glam is looking out. I knew that this was, oh my, I'm so excited. What are these ones? I want to know. Hold on, let me see if they sound. Okay, they sound similar, so they must be similar, but obviously they're not the same. Oh, I'm so happy. Congrats to Madam Glam. I really love these quality brushes. They are such a vibe. Like when you set them inside of a cup, they look cute. Like they're very aesthetic, no matter if you put them upwards or downwards. And I love them. I like the fact that the base is narrow. I mean, the base is wide and then it goes into a narrow brush, because when you put it inside the cap, it doesn't really catch on to the brush's hairs, and that helps. I don't know, one set of brushes that I got, I really liked them, but when you would put the lid on them, it would always ruin the hairs. It was so annoying. So yeah, just a little insight. But oh my gosh, I love this. I'm so like, every time I get so excited, but it feels like it's like a high and then a low, because it's like, okay, now what do I do until tomorrow? Like, oh, just sit here and twiddle my thumbs, I guess. But I'm gonna be bad. Don't tell anybody, but I'm gonna be so bad and shake it. Okay, so I think this and this, number 5 and number 7, seem to be different. Look. You can tell that they're different. So I'm really excited. But the boxes, oh, this one, number 7, is a bit bigger. I suspected. Okay, well, I wonder what it is. We gotta wait until tomorrow. But anyways, how have you guys been enjoying the advent calendar so far? I have been so obsessed. Every day it gets better and better and better. I'm almost wondering, like, how much better can it really get at this point? I feel like just give me like some red glitter and maybe like some green glitter, and I'll be happy. Cause like, OMG, maybe like a black just for keepsake, you know. But anyways, you guys, I'm just too much, so I'll shut up now. I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in to yet another one of my videos. Go ahead and smash that like button if you like this video. I am going to be on my website today. I'm going to be posting some blog posts today. I'm going to be on Instagram today, and we are going to be promoting for our Spam for Spam 2.0 edition giveaway, so you guys stay tuned for that. I also need to do my nails. I have a few videos that I'm going to be publishing for you guys very soon, so stay tuned for that. How have you guys enjoyed getting numerous videos? Like, I don't even know. I think I post like, I don't even know how many, but I felt like I've been posting a lot of videos so far for December, so I'm super thankful for that. And yeah, man, so I talk to you guys later. Ahala, peace.